Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to add a dynamic vicinity map to your Leaflet web map. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download the code on this GitHub site. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you could directly connect to this site here. And credit goes out to the person here who put the code together. So if we go over here to the green button, click on the down arrow, we'll download the zip file. I've already downloaded the file and added it to my project folder right over here. So we'll go ahead and open up our HTML code. And what I'm using is just a very simple web map. And just to show you, sorry, I have two screens. I'll bring it over here. It's just a simple web map. And I'll leave a link in the description below on a video I did not too long ago about creating a very simple web map such as this. Okay, so once we have our zip file opened and we have it in our project folder, we can see under the source, we have the JavaScript code we need to add as well as the CSS. So it's just these two files we need to add to our HTML. So up here in our head, we'll add the style sheet first. Link. And style sheet. And what I'm going to do is just simply right click onto the file here and copy relative path, and I'll paste it right between the double quotes, just like that. And we'll close that off. And we'll add the JavaScript, and I'll start that here. And the source equals, and the same thing, between the double quotes, we're going to paste the relative path here. And we'll close that off. So again, I added the style sheet here, and I added the JavaScript file here. Okay, so down below, right here is where I have my base map for that simple map. So just below that, let's say Vicinity Map. And we're going to say base map URL equals. Now we could use what we have already existing, and I'll also show you an example where we could change that out. So I'm just going to copy this URL and paste it between the single quotes here. Okay, then variable base map equals new L tile layer base map URL min zoom and max zoom. This is just where we're setting our parameters for the vicinity map on how much it can zoom in and out. And finally, variable mini map equals new L control dot mini map, and it's the base map, which I'm calling it right here, dot add to map. Come back here. This is actually incorrect. Let me just use the curly brackets here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, and we'll run. And there we go. We have the vicinity map down here on the bottom right. And as you see, as I pan around and zoom in and out, it changes dynamically. So we can also change the base map for the vicinity map. And to do that, we just change this hyperlink right here. And I did another video where we added different base maps to Leaflet, and I'll leave a link in the description down below on that as well. What we did is we went to this map tiler, and from here, you could just select a variety of base maps to use, which is just such a wonderful source. And just say we wanted, I don't know, say this oceans one right here. Once we click onto that, we will come down to raster tiles. And under here, I'm just simply going to copy this link here. And we'll come back to our code. I'll paste that between the single quotes here. And I will save that. I'll refresh my map. And there you go. You can see the base map within the vicinity map has changed again. So anyway, I hope you guys find this useful. It's just a quick and easy way to add a vicinity map to your Leaflet web map. Just add a little more content to your map. And as always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be more happy to get back to you. And if you guys find this useful, I really do appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.